Good morning, Queens Grant families. Today I'm going to show you how to get to your intervention or ELL support page. So this is a kindergarten classroom. If you're in your Google Classroom, you're just going to look up here at the top where the three lines are horizontally, and you're going to click that. And when you click that, you should see, now I have a ton of classes, but you should see your classes here. But if you just click this classes, you're going to see different ones. And so if you look for where it says in kindergarten, you'll see kindergarten ELA support. And that's where your intervention and assignments are going to be for intervention, MTSS, and ELL support. Now, if you go to your classes, it's going to align with your grade level. So if you're in sixth grade, it will say sixth grade ELA support. If you go through and you cannot get to there for some reason, please do not hesitate to call me or email me at 43.btucker@nhaschools.com. I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to see you guys all learning and practicing your intervention and ELL support.